Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. The goal of my YouTube channel is to promote wellness through home cooking. I realize that this is a challenge because Americans are cooking less and less. Everyone realizes that eating fast and processed food is unhealthy, and people are interested to cook more. Home cooking is a culture, and to move from the fast and processed food culture to home cooking is neither simple nor easy. Furthermore, cooking takes time, making plans, setting up the basics, and quite often, cooking do not turn out the way it's supposed to be. There are significant barriers to overcome, and I have faced many of these obstacles myself. Now I cook 7 days a week using all fresh ingredients. Not only is it very important for my health, but it is also a lot of fun. In the following, I would like to share with you the 5 attributes that I make home cooking to be part of my everyday life. First, commitment. Now I take the motto, let food be thy medicine, to be the guidance for my life. And because of this, home cooking become very important for me to take food into my own hand. This approach has paid off because now I invest both in my present and future. Second, spontaneity. It is important for me to cook without hesitation and stress on myself. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Now I cook anything that I could put my hands on. By cooking consistently, I have developed confidence. And from confidence, I now develop competency. Third, speed. By cooking consistently, I have become more efficient and more organized. To be able to cook a meal in 30 minutes and make home cooking amenable. Now I know not only I can save time, but also I have better food and cheaper. Fourth, simplicity. It is important I only cook with the information that I could manage in my head. I want to be able to know what I am doing. This way, I have much better control of what I'm cooking. Fifth, flavor. If I can cook what I like and prefer, I know I will keep on cooking. Again, practice makes perfect. If I can do it consistently, I know I will achieve the goal that I'm looking for. I have now come to a point that I have no desire to eat fast processed food or eating out. A commitment, spontaneity, speed, simplicity, and flavor. These 5 attributes has allowed me to cook 7 days a week without ever get tired and sick of it. There are many paths to reach these 5 attributes. Let me tell you the path that I take. First, prepping in advance. This is the deal breaker for me. This is what keeps me cooking every day. With the food ingredients already prepped and available to me anytime I want, I can cook it with speed, efficiency, and spontaneity. Second, template-based cooking. By mastering only a limited number of templates, I can cook with spontaneity. Without a restriction of recipes, cooking is far more fun, creative, and intuitive. Third, stir-fry. I incorporated stir-fry into my cooking system because it is the fastest and most convenient way to cook. When combining templates-based cooking and prepping in advance, a stir-fry is spontaneous, simple, and speedy. Fourth, seasoning. By using seasoning from different parts of the world, it is possible for me to create the type of flavor that I love and enjoy. So in summary, for me to keep cooking, is my commitment to health, my ability to do it spontaneously, and it is simple and it's fast, and also it is flavorful. And I make all this possible by prepping in advance, by using a template-based cooking, using stir-fry, and using seasonings. With the modern lifestyle, home cooking has often been now considered as chore and not an efficient way to use time. All we need to do now is to take a fresh look at home cooking. If we hold the conviction that home cooking is important to us, we will find a way. To help people to develop home cooking as a way of life, this is what I try to teach in my cooking classes as well as in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notifications of my future video postings. I'll see you next time.